Welcome back to our last virtual story time. This is the last virtual story time because starting next week, we'll be having story time in person right here in the courtyard. As always, I'm Miss Nicole, and today we're going to read 10 Little Ladybugs. 10 little ladybugs sitting on a vine. Along came a butterfly, and then there were 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little ladybugs skipping on a gate. Along came a caterpillar. Then there were 8. 8 little ladybugs looking up to heaven. Along came a bird. And then there were 7. 7 little ladybugs resting on sticks. Along came a grasshopper. Then there were 6. 6 little ladybugs flying near a hive. Along came a bumblebee. And then there were 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ladybugs sleeping by the shore. Along came a fish. Then there were 4. 4 little ladybugs climbing up a tree. Along came a turtle. Then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ladybugs drinking up dew. Along came a duck. Then there were 2. And who's this? What's this look like? 2 little ladybugs basking in the sun. Along came a frog. Then there was 1. 1 little ladybug sitting all alone. Along came a breeze. Then she was home. And look, we've got all of the ladybugs again. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So for today's activity, which you can find on our Google Classroom, our virtual living lab, by registering for free at Keywest.garden/education, we're going to be doing a counting activity, just like the book. So you can print it out and try it at home on your own. I just made a bigger version on my whiteboard. So we're going to count the ladybug spots. So let's count this one. 1, 2, 3. So this ladybug has 3 spots. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 spots. So you can try it for yourself by printing it out, and it's also a coloring page. And for our craft today, we're going to make our own ladybug with a spoon. So here is mine. It's a ladybug on a leaf. All you need is a plastic spoon, some paint, googly eyes, which are optional, and you can find yourself a nice, durable, strong, big leaf to put it on. So what I did is I painted my spoon to look like a ladybug, and then I found a leaf and I made a little hole through it, and I stuck the spoon in there, and it looks like there's a ladybug resting on the leaf. And you can also find this tutorial on our Google Classroom as well. Thank you so much for joining me for the last 1.5 years with virtual story time. But now we're so excited to start back again in person. So I hope to see you there next week. But don't forget, all of our story times are on our Google Classroom, so you can go back and re-watch them and check out the different activities and crafts we have available, all for free at Keywest.garden/education.